Hey everyone, it's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. Again, I am in Amot, Louisiana, in St. Charles Parish. So this is a family home. They've decided to move. Over the years, it's just had like a couple of wear and tear things going on, a few areas in the roof that have caused some damage, and they had some water leak and mold issues in their bathroom. They had a secondary home that they preferred to move into. They don't want to put the effort into fixing up this property, and they also don't want to deal with tenants. So they went to homebuyerlouisiana.com, filled out that form, told us about this property, how to get in touch with them, and here I am inspecting it just to make sure what they told us is exactly what's going on with the property. And we are going to take this house off of their hands as fast as we can and for cash as is. The homeowners are actually here, so I was talking to them a little bit while I was doing my inspection, and he was wanting to confirm, like, does he have to take everything out of this house, because they do have some furniture in multiple rooms. They have a 2-car garage that is loaded up. They said they only want a couple of things out of here, and I assured them they do not need to take more than what they want out of this house. We're buying it as is with whatever is in there. So homebuyerlouisiana.com, get in touch with us about your property.